it's true. Oh, be my Valentine. Cause it's true.
Welcome, guys. Welcome back. It's African Chats and African Tipsy. So today it's Valentine's, even though we don't even see anything representing that with us here. But it's fine. Oh, red t-shirt. Oh, it's oh, pinkish. Yeah. You have nothing. Or you're disappointing me. Do I trust you? But anyway, yeah. So it's another day with African Chats. We got a special guest here. Oh, we got our artist here. I can't say our upcoming artist. She's an artist. She's on YouTube. I see like she's big, yeah, the way she is, and so we appreciate that. So I can't really introduce her. I just wanted to introduce herself. Starting with me anyway. I'm KB, as always.
General Sabza, aka Maspala.
Yeah. Did you know she's Maspala? Yeah.
Oh,
I mean, he is Maspala.
No,
Yeah, she is Maspala.
Now
Yeah.
I'm she.
Yeah.
Just because it's Valentine, I didn't wear
Yeah,
red
she's
and white, now
Maspala.
I'm she. Okay, it's fine.
Okay. And then we got our lady here. She can introduce herself as well.
I'm Josie J.
Jessie J.
Yes.
Okay.
JCJ. JCJ.
I'm Lelow B, all the way from Ladysmith. So I'm grateful for the opportunity and the platform.
Oh, guys, you heard that, Lelow B.
Yeah.
Lelow B, guys. She's okay. She's there, guys. I saw her. I saw her on YouTube. I don't know anyway, but and I still feel like she needs to dwell too much so that at least we may know her
Mhm.
actually what kind of artist she is and so on and so on. But then we'll get to that anyway,
Mhm.
since we are just trying to welcome her. I think you got a drink. It's guys. Sorry, it's not really an alcohol, but it's colored because it's pinkish because of his Valentine. Yeah, so we appreciate that. And then Lelow B.
Mhm.
You said you're from Ladysmith. Can't you always Ladysmith?
I'm all the way. It's all the way from KZN basically.
Oh,
I'm
it's
from a
KZN.
small rural area called Emoba.
Oh,
Why
But
not?
I
okay.
can more, Bagana.
No, it's called AKA. It's called 150 Guafelubala. So many artists come from there. They like Black Diamond.
Oh,
Yeah, people like Abo Ola and people like Abo Java and him. We're kind of currently in the same
okay.
homestead type situation.
All right.
Mhm.
So, what kind of music are you playing before we get to deep questions there and there?
To be honest, I wouldn't like to categorize myself. I would say I'm very versatile because I basically grew up listening to R&B music and a bit of Afro pop and a bit of Maskandi and a bit of Statamia because my grandmother and my grandfather used to be part of AMA groups for music. So mostly I'm more prone to R&B, Afro pop, three step, and I'm a piano.
What kind
Okay.
of music
What's
is
the
three
three-step?
step?
Three step
What
is more
that,
like your
we
Afro
dance?
dance, Afro tech music type of vibes. Your Kids in Kibutele type of vibe, songs like Lala Tukze type of sound. Yeah, that's the sound that I'm
Even
currently
Three,
venturing
it's
on.
called three what?
Three step.
Of course, we have to dance to
Three
it.
Wow.
step.
I didn't know about that.
Right.
We
I
learn
don't know if
every
I'm
day,
dancing even
right?
though I don't hear the song. But I can
Yeah,
go
just-
with the rhythm. I can go with the
With
rhythm of the
da,
three
da,
step.
da.
Yeah.
Da, 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 da.
That's the true step. Yeah.
So
So that's what I'm more prone to.
Okay. Okay, so currently, actually, are you releasing? What's happening?
So currently, I've been working. We've been working with many people under the down low. I currently have songs with Kalo. I don't Kalo, and I've worked with Blueprint Studios. I've worked with Babu Demo from Demo Music. I currently have a song that's gonna be dropping soon with Nacho. So yeah, I've been quite busy. So I'm just waiting for the right moment to just drop all the music that I've been doing, but mostly it's been 3 step
All right.
So
Yeah.
you're
So that means we're
you-
gonna be dancing to
all
a
the way,
music
all the way. Yeah.
so you're releasing EP very soon.
Not really. I've worked with numerous people, so like in the industry, like I said, currently I'm not signed. Going, like I'm going to that route basically. So I just work in joint ventures with people. So I work with stables. I work with producers. So I have many projects with many companies or with many producers. So I wouldn't say I'm basically dropping an EP. I'm planning on dropping a single, testing the waters and see how people are receiving me, and afterwards I'll take it like a take from there.
Okay.
Yeah.
No, that makes sense. At least these people, at least they must know you. So, with whatever that you currently have, do you get booked or do you allow to be booked? Do you go out there perform?
Yes, I do. So to be honest, being an independent artist, and especially a plus-size woman in the industry, it's not very easy.
Mm.
But I've been lucky enough to work with people like Abu Lavita, Abu Sheiza, people who are like who I would say gurus in the industry who are behind many successful independent
Yeah.
artists. So I do get bookings. I do get because my last event basically was last year, the Bafadi Music Award. I was part and parcel of the lineup there. So I do get gigs. I do go out and I do accept people that want to book me. If the person wants to book me, they can go online or just email me directly. I don't have a problem.
Yeah, they must email you directly. To which email? Go online, search for who?
Lelow P, Lelow _P.
Yeah,
Lelo,
anyway.
Lelo as horse, not Lelo as
Lelow.
Yeah, actually, it's
Yeah.
Lelow with a W.
That's an English
Yeah,
Lelo.
with the W.
Yeah, it's English Lelo. So when you write, don't just write Lelo, yeah,
Lelo, no,
Lelo.
it's
It's
with the W.
Lelo.
Yeah, Lelo.
Lelo.
Yeah.
So your mouth must be round after
Lelow.
Lelo.
From Lady Smith.
Yeah,
From
from
Lady
Lady Smith.
Yeah.
Black
Can you
Mambas.
understand?
Yeah. So,
Yeah, so but anyway, you'll have to give us those. I mean, if you have, do you have social media platforms?
yes, I do. I have YouTube. I have your TikTok. I have your Instagram. I have everything. Basically, I'll just share my handles. On YouTube, you can just Google or check out Lelow at Lelow_P. It's just basically Lelow everywhere.
Oh,
Yeah.
Okay. So now,
Lelo.
if I may ask, how did you discover this talent of singing?
To be honest, I grew up in a home whereby music was a soul of the whole family. Hence, I was saying my grandfather used to sing for the Red Lions previously, and then initially he started with the Lady Smith Blank Pambas back in the days, but then he had to leave the group reason being because he was married. My grandmother was also a singer, and also a model. So basically, I grew up from a family that's more or less like that. So from a young age, I was entering competitions. So that's how I could, but I wasn't taking it seriously, to be honest. The only time I took it seriously, I remember it was like 10 years ago. There was this producer called DJ Lego. He's from my homestead, and then he was like a producer. He was dope. He's in a wheelchair. And then he was like, no, 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 just try it out. And then I done that, and then the rest was history. Then everyone knew about me in my hometown.
Oh.
So I was like, you know what, let me take it seriously. Then I packed my bags. I came to Joburg. I tried it out. So yeah, it has been hard, but it has been fruitful at the end of the day.
Yeah,
Yeah.
you know, I like the way you answered the question because most of the artists, when you ask them now, when did you start singing? In the church.
No, no, no.
You know, everyone. It's like everyone was singing at the church before they can sing Afro soul or anything. They started with the gospel. So when you never started with the gospel, it was there.
Yeah, it was there at home, to be honest.
Yeah,
Because
so-
I remember ugogo nomkhulu used to sit by the fireplace, wait for Uma to come back from work, and music was always like, yeah, part and parcel. And to be honest, it's always been in my blood to a point of which I know when I'm in studio or when I'm singing in Bashab. Yeah,
Oh.
I go on there. So yeah.
So music basically comes in.
Yes, I would say
So-
that. Even if ngakwata kanjani, if I
You're
come
gonna
here,
sing.
I hear a beat.
Speak your mind.
Yeah, so ngathi ungasishaya ngayincane
Please
inyama
speak
uthi
your
vava.
mind.
Not
Uthi
now,
vava
anyway.
inyama. Usishaya uthi vava. A
Yeah, but
freestyle.
like from maybe from your old songs. or
Maybe we're supposed to
something,
stress her first. Remember, she
She
needs to,
she
Yeah, I need to
sings
be
more when
stressed.
she's stressed.
we need to
Yeah.
stress her first. So I
And to
don't
be
know.
honest, my first single, it was called "Be My Valentine." I
Oh.
dropped it on Valentine's Day.
And
Oh.
it's Valentine's
You-
Day, guys.
Oh, okay. Okay. All right.
Thank you.
Oh, happy Valentine's. Okay.
So yeah, that was my first single.
Oh no, man. So okay, that means it was a coincidence that today we have you here in a
Yes.
Valentine's
Today only
Day.
on Valentine's Day.
Oh.
And then
It's
I
actually
just- so,
not
yeah.
a coincidence.
Hmm?
Is it a coincidence?
It might be a coincidence.
No. It's God sent.
Yes.
That's how you call it.
It's got
Okay, it's a new way of calling it. I didn't
Mara
know.
ke thumo ya Modimo.
yeah.
I didn't know that there's a new way of calling it.
Musa
So
wenkosi.
that's better anyway. So anyway, we still appreciate that you are here with us today.
Mhm.
So according to me, I think you are just big because I saw you working with Mahu.
No, I've never worked with my who before, but I would say when you Google me or when you go on YouTube, I'm categorized.
Oh, you are it's a
Many,
category.
like, the people that I've worked with, major people, Demo Trompis, Professor, the list is endless, but I've never worked with Mahu. I wish I can, but not yet.
I
Yeah,
wanted to
You
ask you that
haven't
same
yet.
they
question.
haven't yet.
I really wanted to
But
to
I
ask you that
received.
question.
But I received.
Yeah, I wanted to ask you that question. That
Okay.
actually, which are there artists that you wish to work with? At least maybe they will say when they are busy, maybe
Yeah,
on their own.
Mahu and most definitely Java. I would
Oh, it's
love
Java.
to work with this Java. Yeah.
So
nawe uhetheke kakhulu.
No.
Oh, it's Java. Hey,
I,
yeah,
I,
complain.
I think she is. I think Java is more like me. He's a conscious writer, in a sense. He writes about his like real life events. So I'm also like that. I cannot write about Ujwala if I've never
You've never
experienced it. Yeah,
experienced
well,
it, yeah.
I'll never write about divorce if I've
You've
never
never been in
experienced it.
divorce.
Okay.
I think he writes. He's a conscious writer. I
Ah.
think most artists are, except for commercial artists, my piano artists, they want to have a ingoma ezoshesha. So timeless music.
We are 3-step artists.
Yeah, but then according to the way you answered now, I feel like you were as well answering the first question I asked, that what kind of music do you like doing?
Yeah,
So
conscious.
now we just got it actually.
Yeah, I like doing timeless music. A song that even 10 years from now, if a person listens to
Yeah.
it,
Mm.
they can, because I remember I done a song called Never Let You Go, and a Valentine song, and it actually got me an opportunity to be part of an online international online competition called Business, hosted by Def Jam, and the judge was Chief Keef and Petro, and I was also on the semifinals, and I was the only female and the only South African there. So I would say doing timeless music, for me, it helped out because for them it was like they're hearing the song first time around. It's not just something a home or whatever. It's just gonna is a bamboo wave for now, and then afterwards.
Then after it's
Yes.
gone.
So I do timeless music like Abosane and Sini, and then yeah.
So from my side, actually, when you're talking about Java, do you compare Java and this guy, Big Zulu? I mean, their music.
I would say it's a preference for a person. I would say they're both dope in their own way, to be honest.
So
But for me specifically, I listen to Java. I love Java more. I think
It's a preference.
it's a preference. No one is doper than than the other. But it's more or less what a person prefers. I would prefer Java any day over Tyler, over anyone, over myself.
isingo noma sebrown ngase-white isingo omunye nomunye
Yeah.
udla lesi asithandayo.
Yes, so Java for me is the way. So yeah.
I know.
Yeah.
Siyabonga wesisli Lelow B.
Yes.
Yeah, now myself I listen to only I think I listen to what Kola. Is it Kola? Yeah, Kola.
Yeah.
I listen to Kola, so it's nice, man. It's
Mm.
nice. So whoever that you guys didn't know about says Lelow B.
Mm.
Here she is here with us at African Chats.
Mm-hmm.
So from now on, that means Lelow B, you're still gonna see her. Because I carry from here, we think you were gonna be booming.
Yeah, I
Yeah.
think, and then let me not say I think a month from now.
Yeah, we
Yes.
must
It's
boom.
a month from now.
We must boom. I don't know
Watch
Watch
whoever.
the space.
Watch the space.
Because
Yeah.
I carry so far you said you don't have a record label or whatever. So these people, if there's someone jumping the African tipsy, there's Lelow B here. Do something.
Yeah, so I wouldn't say there's no record label that's approaching me. They are,
Mm.
but I haven't found a good contract or a place I can call home. Because you know how the music industry is like. So I don't want to jump the gun. I just want to take my time. That's all.
Yeah, you must, when you sign your contract, you must check, because others signed the contract and then they were like singing, after singing, and then they bought them earrings and stuff, and then they were like crying
Yeah,
to the community that, hey, Sbanbanu, udle imali yami, wenzeni. So we need to be careful when signing those contracts.
I think in most cases, in South Africa, as artists, we are not informed in terms of doing music business. So what I've done for myself is start with the business side of things. I've been an entertainment manager. I know that the business side of things. Then I came back to the singing part. So it's different for a person who's just a singer and doesn't understand the business side of things, because obviously you're gonna have a problem because people are gonna chow your money, don't give you a fair percentage.
Basically, use
Use
you.
That's the
for
problem.
their
That's the
own
problem.
gain.
So
That's the problem, because we
That-
see them. We see them crying always, crying. Oh, Sbanban. Hey, what record label took our money? Hey, what royalties and stuff. So we're just saying, you need to be careful with those things. Don't just sign on a blank papers and then because you see fancy things, maybe you see a
Mansion.
flight tickets, and then you see those things, and then you just jump to the to the bottom line, and then what? Just I guess they only say just initial. Don't say, don't sign.
no, start with understanding what percentage am I getting
Yeah.
From this.
yes from this. So then upward. So I've had relationships, like I've burned bridges whereby, because I wanted what's fair to me.
Yes.
So it's I'd rather not be famous rather than being famous and don't have anything.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think I like that.
Mm.
Yeah, I
Because
like the
many
spirit.
our these artists of ours, they run to be famous before making money.
I think when it comes to that, umuntu banalo ukuthi if the song is big, obviously I'll get more bookings. But I have friends currently that have big songs that they were their own songs. Then a major artist comes in or an A-list and say, you know what, I like this song, maybe jump on it. And then the song becomes big. They don't get bookings. They don't even know who the artist is because of this A-lister. So it happens. It's a cruel, harsh reality, but we go through it as artists.
Yeah,
So-
that's the message that I even wanted I wanted you to tell the upcoming artists, or
What
they
should
must
they
be
look
careful.
out
So
for?
because we've already touched it, or
Mm.
guys, don't just love to sing, but sing with. If you ever are doing business, do business by singing. But don't just sing. If you ever want to sing, go to church. Church we sing for free.
Yeah, bro.
If you want to sing, go to church and then sing for free. There you don't see, because God gave us life, and then so we're repaying Him with a lot of things. We can even go and repay Him with singing. at church, but at studio, at a record company, we're singing for money.
Yeah, we wanna make money.
Yeah, I wanna make money.
For your livelihood, your
Yes,
children,
yes,
your great grandchildren, and all that.
Yeah, because one song can make you a millionaire and your whole generation. One song.
Mm.
So that's what they don't get. The thing is,
I have
with
to make like
10 songs.
Yeah.
I know, come to the studio.
Yeah.
God, and then you come, and then umuntu uyabala lapho uthi, "Yabo, if I can make this happen." But the reality of things, it's not only talent that makes a successful artist. It's also money. You need money
That's it.
to
That's
make it
true.
work.
That's true. We spend a lot before.
So I guess that's why
When
Have
what
you
you
ever-
when what
Have
spend
you
you
ever signed the
Yes,
artist before?
when you're singing clap and tap, and then they get your money.
You know what?
Have you ever signed the artist before?
No, not really. It's just that there are some
You
things.
seem
There are some
to
things.
maybe
There are some things that I experienced, and then I feel like, ish, indeed, I lost a lot.
You lost a lot, ne?
Ish. You know what?
You lost or
Trying to
invested.
build something is
You lost or
I
invested.
didn't invest. When you invested
When
something,
you
you are
invest,
gonna
you
get
reap.
something back.
Okay.
You see,
Yeah.
when you're not getting anything back, that's not an investment.
that's a loss.
It's a
It's a
loss.
loss.
You actually depreciate.
So Sis Lelow is she's trying to remind me that could you lost? I lost.
A lot of money.
Aish. When we go there, that means like, hey, it will cause a problem. Because it's not just so full.
Yeah, but I also understand that, like the labels of themselves also, because we have this mentality of I'm the star,
Yeah.
but it's not always talent. Hence, I was saying a person you can spend around about 500,000 to make a song popular. Yeah, well, and then the person doesn't calculate all those costs.
Yeah.
Your petrol when you're going to like a radio station for submissions for all those things. They just see the glitz and glamour. You know what?
Yeah,
You
Mara,
should pay me.
mostly I think it goes to, let's say now, like the young kids, they start something, they start singing, and they tell them, oh, you're a good singer, your voice is good, whatever, and then they are just like they're starving to just get out there and then trying their best to get something. So that's the reason mostly they get the wrong people. Then they say, I just come, and then they are gonna benefit from them. You see?
Yeah, that's
and then
the
they don't know anything actually. They don't even know. Some of them they don't even know. They don't check how much money is this person making. But later on, when they check on themselves, they are celebs. But they don't have anything. You see? So I think that's the problem. So they really need to get the right channels before you can just jump. You know, I like the way you answered. When you said, I'd rather not be a celeb.
Famous.
Yeah. That one. So you find that you're just a celeb and then you're broke. It's useless. So
And-
you'd rather be a celeb and then have money.
because it's depressing on itself, to be honest. Because I have to fake it for the public. I have to ladies maid. I have to come maybe with your Mercedes, and
Yeesh.
I can't afford it, and I have zero in my bank account. And I feel like what's also holding me back in terms of signing 100% is the flexibility. Once you're signing, it's like like when you need drinks, someone has to buy them for you. Everything. Yeah, but also in reality, hence I was saying, it's rare for a person to make it on or by themselves. You need a good team behind you. Either way, it's inevitable.
And then
to sign.
and the other problem is that too, the more you tell,
The more it's adding on
Yeah.
your
yeah, because they got everything that you tell, they give you as a
It's
credit.
deducted.
They give you as a credit,
Yeah.
and then when you get your
But
royalties, and they deduct
and
from
it comes
those.
with interest as
Yes,
well.
yes.
It's a loan.
Yeah, it's a loan.
Just to say, okay, guys, even when you are going to perform, I see some of them, they will be like, we want to drive a V-Class going to perform. Okay, it's a V-Class, go.
That is.
Then month end, that means you're not getting anything. From
Yeah.
whatever you're going to be making, you're not getting anything. You'll be like,
Because the money
how?
goes to.
The money goes to the
those
V-Class.
things.
Yeah, you wanted to drive a
You wanted
V-Class,
a
so you drove a
V-Class.
V-Class.
Makes sense.
So it goes that side.
It's hard, isn't it? I'd rather
Yeah,
be a
no.
normal person.
Yeah, no, you'd rather be a normal person or plan like I think the Limpopo artists, most
Gen-
of them, they are
Mm.
doing this thing. They are starting their own stuff. I think most of them they have recording. I mean, they have their own studios and so on. Maybe those kind of things as well. You must consider them.
To be honest, you can have all the equipment in the world. You can
Mm.
have the top. You can have a hit song. And I was saying the most crucial thing is a team. Because Ubano Zokokota, we record, we Guma studios, I mean, Guma radio stations,
Oh yeah.
plugins on TV for high rotation on TV.
So that's the reason we name a manager, ne?
Yes.
Yeah.
You need a good team behind you. Your road manager, your manager, someone who's going to manage you, someone, a producer. You can't do everything by
Yeah.
yourself. You need a PA. You need a representative, someone who's going to. So you can also be taken seriously as a person as well.
So that you need people who will eat your money so that you'll make money.
Yes.
Actually,
What
you need
is-
someone to eat your money before making
Before
the
making
money.
Yeah.
So what are there's an agent in music also?
Yeah, they are. In
Is it?
music, it's like invest. It's like Bitcoin, man. It's a 50-50 thing.
Mm.
Forex.
Forex. Yeah.
You
You can win or
You
can
lose, you
can
lose.
But if you can be lucky as well, you do get like managers that are well known and that they can do a lot of things for you.
Yeah, you can be lucky like with Tyler. She had one song and she was lucky enough to get a proper manager, proper team behind her. You see where she is right now. Yeah,
Yeah, people like Wobunata, but they are talking about their manager there. The manager has been doing much for them.
yes.
Yeah.
You know, that person doesn't sleep. When ungalala, yena, he's thinking about okay, tomorrow. Kulele ungamenzela njani 100,000.
Yeah, okay.
Injani.
Mm.
Said it's
Oh,
hard.
when you say, are you trying to offer yourself? Offer yourself to be a
You don't
manager.
want to manage me.
If he has,
You
if
don't
he
wanna
has,
manage
you can
Hey, this guy.
pop the
Yeah,
cash.
but take 100,000 ya bulechinga.
No, but then there are platforms, there are ways of making money. There
The
are
only
ways of
language
making
I
it.
understood it was that 100,000.
Remember, it's either you get like gigs for her so that she can go and perform. That's her as well. So for that 100,000 to get it, yeah. So when I need to try our best to get the gigs, you can't just say, how do I
And
make
endorsement
1,005?
deals as well, like
Yes.
your adverts.
Yeah.
Mm.
Yeah.
Hmm.
There's money here, to be honest. Music is a multi-million rand.
You are sitting with money.
Yeah, I'm money. I'm walking.
Actually.
talking.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
So at least when you discovered your talent.
And at
But
an early
we also
stages.
And
know
then
what
early-
he's good at.
At the early
What
age.
is good at?
For us, I'm not sure who my talent was for running or what.
What was your talent then? What you were growing
I'm
up?
not sure. Because I couldn't dance.
No, this guy, I don't even know if I can say when he was growing up because I didn't see him growing up. But I think he's more like what? He's gifted when it comes to talking.
He's a stand-up comedian.
Oh,
This
okay.
guy can
But he
talk.
doesn't need to stand up to, you know.
That's what I'm saying. Maybe if he was to work with you, he was gonna approach. Yeah, he can get anything everywhere.
Mm.
Uh-huh.
Huh?
Let's
Yeah.
make gigs in your homestead.
But I can talk.
Yeah,
Nah,
there
Yeah, this
you
guy
are currently
Can, in fact, he
situated.
can
Yeah,
bluff.
okay.
Yeah, he can bluff. No,
Ne?
you can't talk. He can bluff.
Mm.
This guy can bluff. Yeah, he's more like a comedian.
They say I can
You
talk.
can
but-
say so.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, he's a comedian.
Mina my talent was running.
Mm.
But then I discovered that running on a tar route and the tar route is not ending. I decided to stop.
You're running to where?
Running to where? Because you are running, the jiggy are coming back.
Mm.
I ran about 2-3 days and then I said, time.
So, but he thought
And
it
that
was
a
a talent.
Eh? I just thought so. I mean, my teacher said so. My teacher said so. Then he took us to France to run there.
Oh, France! France!
France to do it.
You know
Not
France-
France, not
No,
France.
it's a,
No,
it's a,
France.
it's a school.
It's a school.
All right.
In Palabora. No, it's a school.
I know
in
if he He will have went to France. Yeah, it was gonna be true that his talent is.
So I just discovered,
It's
no,
funny.
these people that are just running, chasing a tar road that never ends. Then I just know this
Then
talent,
you
this
decided
talent
not
that my
to.
teacher gave, it's not that gave me, it's not, it's not dying off.
They give you the chance for you.
He chose for me.
Mhm.
He said, Samsa, you are tall. Go to the go and run with the others. And then I've been in Kitimisha one colot. There is no way I can see young colot. So when you run with those things are now. Wow, what are you chasing? Then I just realized that because that's the minute I just running. Then I just
But they're making money
yeah,
out of
well,
that.
Making money.
These days there are a lot of things that you will make money from, guys. We know even like some kids they decide not to continue with schools, which is wrong anyway, because after all, we still need their mind. So, but we got a lot of stuff that people are busy with that are making money. Easy
Yeah.
things. About influencing.
Yes.
Those kind of things. People are making a
when
lot
what's
of
your,
money.
Yeah.
when what's your talent?
Do I have a talent? No, I haven't discovered. But I'm still young. So I haven't.
When you grow up,
When I grow up, I'll know.
when you grow up, you wanna be like who?
I haven't done. I'd rather be Jack Chan. I'd rather be like Jackie Chan, nah, guys. So I'll slay low. Because anyway, sorry to disturb you. I think I heard you were mentioning stuff like radio, whatever. Actually, you're not doing only music, is it?
Entertainment.
I've been an online radio presenter, bookshop in Soweto. Been around, man. There's nothing that I've tried, even modeling.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I've been around.
So you're no longer onto that.
To be honest, no. Presenting, no, I'm not. Being a consultant, no. Being a booking agent, no. Being an entertainment manager, no. Being like I took a break, to be honest. 2020 was not a good year for all of us.
A lot
Yeah,
of us,
yeah.
Yeah. So it took a turn for me back then. And then I feel like I'm a business, like being a black independent person in South Africa, it was not easy anymore. So I decided to get a 9 to 5. Yeah. Well, so then I'm just going back in the music industry right now to drop end of this month. I've been
Yeah.
just
I really
playing.
wish.
Yeah.
I really wish that thing that could work like in your favor.
It will.
Yeah,
It
it must
will.
work in your favor.
This is my year. Dako.
Yeah.
Eh.
No, it might be my
Green or
year as well.
red?
Green or red.
It might be my
Yeah.
year as well.
So yeah.
You can't take it all. When you say it's your year, it's more like you're taking 2026
I
alone.
would say it's every struggling black person's
Now,
year.
Yeah.
now
Yeah.
it's my
We're
year. I
gonna
will,
make it.
now it's my year. I will see when I'm featured in a video.
Oh,
Hey, yeah. Hey, yeah. And
you wanna be the main character? Okay,
but
don't
you're
worry.
right, you know.
Oh, dance!
You
Yeah, but and yeah, I think you
not dancing.
You
If
must
you wanna
get
be
there.
the main character, like be the sexy.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Next,
Ooh.
touching
I've
me.
got a
I'm
gig.
joking. I'm joking. So, yeah.
So yeah, Mara, maybe you must actually we will be on to you at least to get updated.
No, don't stress.
We need to follow you, keep on following you, whatever,
Uh-huh.
so that we will be updated. If you are not gonna invite us to your video, you'll just see someone jumping in.
Yeah,
Oh,
doesn't it?
don't worry. You are invited as
As
long
well
as
as
you
you
have
are.
chosen. Thanks to you.
Unless if you,
CJ.
unless if you hide the location that you're gonna take your video.
No.
But if you don't
not.
hide that location, I'm telling you.
Don't worry.
Oh, I just remembered
Nobody will be there
when you
to
said
hype
now
her up.
you asked me or my talent is what.
Talking. And then she'll say,
Okay,
what
get
is
a
your
limit.
talent?
My talent is
No, my talent is this.
What
my
is it?
talent.
Not
Honestly,
joking.
I don't know what my talent
It's
is.
lying.
It's like a lot.
Oh, guys, it's my talent. Like I can lie.
You can bullshit.
Yeah, like I can just lie and go. Yeah, like come on, guys. Fella, you know this is a talent. I can come in and I can take a 500 now.
Ah.
Yeah, like come on,
And then you.
lying is a talent, guys.
And then Josie, what's
I wouldn't say I have a talent.
Aye.
honestly. I don't know what my
Choose
talent
something. I
is.
just chose myself as well.
So I just have to choose
Choose something.
Hey, just something. Or you can blink.
Yes. And I'm blessed with that.
But I love
Yes.
her aura. Just like she's calm. She's always.
Does does calmness make money?
Yes, it does.
Oh,
Yes, it does. Ne?
talents. Mostly talents. We need to use them to make money, guys.
Mm.
That's why myself, I'm using mine.
I think
make
she
money.
would make a great. You would make a great manager, to be honest.
Anne?
Artist manager, she would, because she can deal with the pressure and be calm.
Oh,
She's.
you just gave her a light.
Ne?
So that's where I need to go.
Yeah,
Let me see. Let me
management.
see.
So
Give you a
from
light.
here,
Mara-
I'm gonna be your guys'
Manager.
Yeah, so
Yes.
when they say
I,
calm,
I thought they said artist.
No,
you
you
are
you
manager there. I'm taking over.
so
Yes.
when they say calm,
Yeah.
I want to read you slow. We read your calm.
I'm gonna be taking over.
Yes, she's gonna be taking over.
So you're gonna be slow always. You said no, I'm calm.
Relax. She's taking her time.
Maybe she
Yeah.
must have the ability to maybe, let's say, if myself I'm not relaxed, at least to be like, calm down. At least if you can have that thing of getting someone to calm down.
No, maybe she can. Maybe she can work at the
What?
hospital.
Ah,
Social
don't
worker.
say-
No,
I wanna
I
social worker,
don't
tell her
say
to-
never.
Judge divorce.
I
Then
cannot work
marriage,
there.
marriage manager.
Oh no, actually counseling.
Marriage manager.
Yeah,
Marriage
Counseling.
manager.
marriage manager. You go there and we're not both fit go back to my wife law and you I don't know you are
They will
calm.
like, calm down,
Yeah.
guys. Okay, no, let's take
Ah,
time.
they'll beat you, shame. You know, angry people. They'll kill you.
Like,
No,
let's,
Skawa.
take time,
Calm
guys.
down, right now. But I thought maybe you're gonna say, go the hospital, then go the nurse or nursery, whatever. I was like, you know the nurse.
Mm.
Yo, guys, the
Yeah, but
nurse.
all the nurses are rude.
Why?
No, I don't believe that.
Yo,
I don't.
Well,
I
all
mean,
the
it's
nurses,
been
all-
a nurse
all-
No, I've worked in
No, all
a
the
hospital.
all
for
the
5
nurses
years.
are like taxi drivers.
No,
They are all the
not.
same.
Oh, not all of them. You know what? I've been a TV data capturer before. I understand that side.
There have been a lot of
Yeah,
things.
I've been around.
Woo!
I've been. As I'm in Aquarius, I'm a free spirited person. You can't keep me. I
Yeah.
can't be kept.
Yeah,
And
You
I'm
can't be boxed.
I can't be boxed
So
in.
you
Like I
she's
try- I like-
unstable.
Yes.
What science? She's unstable inside the film. The time you open, she's out of there.
Yeah, I like trying new things. The thing is, I'm telling you, so
Oh, it's about money, Vele. Let's make money.
nje ngifuna into ezongishishisela. So but then back then ngangakaculi. So
okay.
so I understand
So,
it's frustrating, to be honest.
So when Otamaness are okay rude.
I think they're frustrated to deal with. Yeah, but
So I'm a taxi driver.
that's just being.
Sorry about that.
That's-
The expectation now.
That's true, boss. Yeah.
Because those words there, I'm telling you, you find them in the morning. They are sour. In the afternoon, they are sour.
I think when they like they're taking a taxi driver,
Mm.
the first requirement is that you have to have
Yeah, you have to be rude. But I said it that even if you can take a pastor, take him to drive a taxi. I'm telling you, take him today, tomorrow morning. Come on, where man?
That's bad.
It's a culture.
Get us someone day after yesterday. Na e bizarre gana wa pere ke pisha kereke wa pere bag.
Just imagine.
O tsena mo pele ga go e mona wa ha futek driver ya go lo e mona ba o lo le to tisha ka le khanyana.
They're like that. I mean, I don't know if maybe the taxi owners babo penga chalenga.
Not really.
I mean what?
No,
Why are they like all of them?
I think so.
E clinic le gona. Yo, find the same thing again.
Ne?
Eh, ga di nurse ha. Re ela ke re ke gopala ID number wela mra number 2 o sana.
They don't even give you a chance.
Ow. What's 8 yeah come
Mara, it's better if engagaze aye in public and say, hey,
You with your thingy. I mentioned your
Yeah.
sickness in public.
Yes.
No, that one she can do. That one she will do it.
But that's not.
But I agree to but OPD or DPO or it. I never buy mango. I've never been. I sang a galwala.
I think as for them
So,
to
never fit like I'm a go. But we check a mokola when not behaving like I want to more faster. All open like ID number. Okay, okay.
I think those people maybe they were to even disclose or maybe call you whatever you were trying to say, but I think they are just being prohibited maybe according to
No,
whatever.
they cannot call you with
Yeah,
that
they
sickness
are
because they are being
prohibited.
professional. That's why.
Yeah,
They know what if ever they
If
can disclose those things.
I think they are risking their
they will
jobs as
lose
well.
their job.
They lose their
probably.
job.
Mm.
So they will call you with the error that you did.
Hey guys. So anyway, guys, hey fella, we don't have the whole day. Our sis Lelow, they are busy people. Don't cough when I'm talking, please. Reverse that cough.
Cough it back.
So anyway, we appreciate you guys. We appreciate you are still here with us. I know if you reached here with us, yo guys, that means we are family. So let's go again and again and again and again. Hit the subscribe, notification, like. Keep on following us, Mus.
And please follow Lelow B
Yeah,
on all social media platforms is available.
we'll
And
do
guys,
this.
if ever you are stressed, maybe Mili Fedile Control, please listen to her songs.
Yeah. And she also does a 9 to 5. So reach out to her.
I also do a 9 to 5 at CMH Meat Brand. Yeah, I'm a sales executive there. So if you want a car,
Kanji, sorry, what is 9 to 5? What is it?
No,
That's a
9 to 5.
job.
It's a normal
It's
job.
a normal working
job.
Oh, 9 to 5.
Oh, 8 hours.
9. Oh!
Guys, 9 to 5.
Why so confusing?
After
After all of us, we don't know about 9 to 5. We know about 7 to 7.
motho ke bereka mmereko wa permanent ke a bereka kwa CMH ke rekisha dikolo.
I also do
Simple as
9 to
that.
5.
I'm on 9 to 5
What is wrong
at
with you?
CMH. If you want a car, hey, like honey, what's happening
Reach
here?
out to
I thought
her.
9 to 5 ke FM.
No, I thought maybe they forgot to say point something.
Hey,
No.
9.5.
It's a normal job. I'm a sales
Oh, Konji, the two
executive.
of you are
Oh.
Yes, we are
CMH.
colleagues. Got CMH.
That's the reason
She's
you
actually
know.
my.
Eh?
Yeah.
Oh, go 9 to 5. Yeah.
Go 9 to
Lelow B. Well, but it was really lovely having you here,
Yeah,
and
yeah.
thank you so much for taking time out.
Ish,
Busy
I think-
schedule.
I wanna come there and buy my
Join
dream
us.
car, but I haven't dreamed about it yet.
Hmm?
I think I'll try to get a dream car. I guess I can order a
I just want to test
So
it.
one,
Come for a test drive. Don't
They
worry.
do test drive.
No, unfortunately, I haven't seen my dream car calling.
Over.
I have to come check.
Mercedes.
It can't be Mercedes.
We do have.
It can't be Mercedes. My dream car.
Mm-hmm.
I don't think so.
Mitsubishi, like what?
What?
1400.
Mitsubishi?
Bentley.
Bentley, Rolls Royce.
No, you know. When I buy a car, I need to buy a car, checking where am I coming from, or when. So I can't just buy a car that I know that at the end I'll be calling you guys. Guys, do you guys at least?
Come buy a tractor.
When buy photon.
And
Hey, I can get a hole.
oh,
Hey.
which photon is that? Actually, photon.
Yeah, what's wrong?
Photon. Lelow, can you just tell these people to keep on subscribing as well, at least,
Yeah.
so we can just leave you. I mean, I'll let you go. Excuse you.
Excuse. People have become excused. So you can simply just follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook, and yeah, all social media platforms. Just you can Google me and just listen to my songs. That would be grateful. So yeah, I would be highly grateful for that, and also follow this podcast. It was actually lovely to be here as well. African
tipsy.
Thank you. African tipsy.
tipsy
For
as
tipsy people.
tipsy as well.
No.
Yeah, so guys, don't get
talking.
confused. When we say African tipsy, it's not like we're always tipsy.
No.
It's
yeah.
African tipsy, then it has two segments inside. There's tipsy culture. That one, hey, mostly these people are tipsy on that one. So African chats, smart ones,
Yes.
like our Lelow. So yeah, we thank you. We thank you.
Come on, Narina champion, and I got PMC.
Yeah. I think we could.
So,
See you next